minds that will shape the future. As Muslims, we are taught that every blessing we have, every ability, every opportunity, every second is a touch from Allah. And among all these abilities, there is none more precious than time. Time doesn't wait for anyone, and neither does success. Today, I, Paul Nazalia, stand before you to speak on a principle that defines our character, our future, and our achievements. A principle that every young Muslim, and indeed every human being, must live by. No excuses, only execution. Friends, I believe that everyone dreams of success, but not everyone is ready to work for it. Some people say, I will do it tomorrow, but winners say, I will do it now. Excuses are easy, but action is hard. But remember, my dear friends, excuses don't bring results, execution does. As the great Tony Robbins once said, if you really want something, you will find a way. If you don't, you will find an excuse. Excuses are like chains, they keep us tied to failure. But execution breaks all chains and sets us free. The more we delay, the more we destroy our own dreams. बहाने बनाने वालों के हाथ खाली रहते हैं, बहाने बनाने वालों के हाथ खाली रहते हैं और अमल करने वालों के हाथ ताली बजाते हैं. As a student, I also face challenge. Sometimes studies feel hard, sometimes motivation fades. But through this all, I have learned one truth. If I stop making excuses and start executing, dreams will also follow me. Even small actions every day create big achievements. Look at the great achievers, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who had no fancy tools but had unstoppable flows. Malala Yousafzai, who faced fear but stood for truth. Friends, remember this. The world doesn't remember excuses, it remembers efforts. People respect results, not reasons. And that's Nazalia, and that's what Nazalia, want to remind you that your goals won't wait for you. If you want to achieve something, go after it now. Because every minute you waste in excuse making, someone else is out there executing your dreams. चल उठो कुछ कर दिखाना है, बहाना नहीं एक नया जमाना बनाना है. So my dear friends, from this day onwards, let's promise ourselves, no more I will do it later, no more I can't, only I will. Because the real Sigma mindset says, don't tell people your plans, show them your results. And that's exactly what I, Paul Nazalia, believe in. Not just dreaming but executing, not just talking but doing. No excuses, only execution. Thank you very much.